What's up, guys? Got some new items from Alpha Automotive. A lot of pre-production testing, so let's go ahead and show you what they are. We have Alpha Automotive spray gun cleaner. What's different about this spray gun cleaner and others is this actually cleans water-based paint and solvent-based paint. Most gun cleaners now only clean solvent-based paint. As you can see, I've used it. It works really, really well. Next, we have an adhesion promoter that can be applied directly to metal in comparison to, let's say, Bulldog that only can be applied to like plastics. This is good for really, really hard to reach spots, and also for restorations if you have like pitted rust that is cleaned really, really well and you want just some extra adhesion in those spots. They also offer a spray blender. Most spray blenders are the same, but what's different about this spray blender is the variable fan pattern that is offered in the can, which is really, really nice. This is the small. This is the wide. He also offers a 1K epoxy primer / sealer in a can as well. So if you're doing small projects like this cup that I'm doing, works really well for that. Alpha Automotive also offers their pearls and their colors in cans as well. And that's just in case you're doing any small projects or any type of speed shapes and you want to spray it out to see what it looks like. 5 speed shapes laid out, 5 different colors. I got 2 mid-coat pearls that I'm gonna try, so we're gonna see what those look like as well. Start off with some 1K epoxy sealer. We want these to be at least a little bit nice, so we're gonna probably tack them off, because these are really dusty. So like I said, we'll use this 1K epoxy gray sealer from Alpha Automotive. We'll turn the fan all the way open, because this is all the way closed. This is all the way open. And then what we'll get everything a quick light coat. That's just, and again, sealer is just to help our base cover faster so we can use less of it, because base coat costs a lot more than sealer. And that's just kind of how you want to apply it. You just want to give it a nice thin, make sure it's fully covered. I'll go 2 back to back and I'll probably be done after that. Make sure I hit my edges really well and call it good. If I've seen anything from using this, it's if you don't get full coverage or if it doesn't look uniform, it can sometimes show through in the color. So you want to give that a quick flash and give it another coat. So next we'll do the cup. And like I said, the main thing with sealer is just to make sure it's fully covered and there's no blotchy spots. So once that sealer is nice and flashed, you should be able to go ahead and hit it with a color. First color we're going to spray is our Alpha Automotive custom color, Midnight Purple 3. It comes in a base coat form, but Tommy put it in an aerosol can for me to make it that much easier for me. Even though it's in a can, it has the same properties as it does when it's in a base coat. Give it a quick flash. And all the flash is when it's not shiny anymore. When it dulls it out, then you can go with another coat. Next color I'm gonna do is Hazmat. All right, this is the Horizon mid coat over the green Hazmat. We'll probably do 2 coats of that mid coat. Earlier I did not say I like to shoot these candy based pearls at like 22 to 21 PSI. If you ever have any trouble knowing what to spray these colors at, you can always check on the spray source, because Tommy has a TDS sheet pretty much for everything. color is Cascade. My cup fell, so it's the other colors that's showing through the background. I'm gonna give it a few coats of that. This one is called Molten Merlot. This is a Zenith Pearl Color Shift Mid Coat. All right, this final color is called Space Cadet Gray. Alrighty, we're pretty much all done with our custom cup. You can see it change into multiple colors. It looks really, really good. And then these are the different colors that we put. Cascade with the Zenith mid-coat color shift over the top. Looks really, really nice. Midnight Purple 3 out the can. This one is Molten Merlot. This is Hazmat with Horizon mid-coat over it. And then lastly, this is Space Cadet Gray. So a lot of these Alpha Automotive products are really, really simple, but lastly, we'll just use this 2K activated clear coat. And then these are the directions that's on the can. We're gonna shake it for about a minute. We're gonna pop the cap, pull the metal ring off the bottom of the cap. We're gonna insert that into the hole of the activator pin. We'll pull this down, give it a 360-degree twist, push it back up, and then we'll give it another shake for 2 minutes, and it should be ready. So we'll do the first shake, pull, twist, push, give it another shake for 2 minutes, and we'll be ready. If you have any questions, you can always look at the TDS that's on the spray source, or you can look at the directions that are on the can itself. Really appreciate you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, please. Remember, this is the small, this is the wide.